Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about UGC NET June 2014 paper second. First question, the just man justice, what kind of foregrounding do you find in above lines? Syntactic. Syntactic means according to syntax. Syntax deals with phrase and sentence formation. Second question, match the items in list first with items in list second according to the code given. First one, lembic. It is not lembic but iambic. It is I. Iambic. An unstressed syllable is followed by stressed syllable. Anapestic. An unstressed syllable followed by a stressed syllable. Both are same, iambic and anapestic. Then dactylic. Dactylic, D means double. So, two unstressed. Only remember, a stress is followed by two unstressed syllable. Just remember. And trochaic, a stressed syllable is followed by unstressed syllable. Once again I telling, iambic and anapestic are both same. An unstressed syllable followed by a stressed syllable. Dactylic, a stress is followed by two unstressed syllable. And trochaic, a stressed syllable is followed by an unstressed syllable. That's why D is right answer. The separation of styles in accordance with class appears more consistently in blank than in medieval works of literature and art. Shakespeare. Fourth one, had we but word enough and time, this coyness, lady, were no crime. This statement is an example of irony. Irony means the opposite of what you would expect can be said or written. And these lines are taken from To His Coy Mistress. It is written by Andrew Marvell. A Spenserian stanza has 8 iambic pentameters. List first are critics and list second theories. Clint Brook, paradox. William Emerson, ambiguity. Mark Scorer, techniques as discovery, and Maud Bodkin, archetypal pattern in poetry. So, A is right answer. The artist may be present in his work like God in creation, invisible and almighty, everywhere felt but nowhere seen. Henry James is talking here about the artist impersonality. Impersonality means absence of human characters. 8th question. List first are theorists and list second books. Michel Foucault, History of Sexuality. Judith Butler, Gender Trouble. Ellen Sinfield, Cultural Politics Queer Reading. Then Ev Kosowski Segwick, Epistemology of the Closet. That's why B is right answer. The greatness of a poet, Arnold says, lies in his powerful and beautiful application of ideas to life, but a critic pointed out it was not a happy way of putting it, as if ideas were a lotion for the inflamed skin of suffering humanity. Who was this critic? T.S. Eliot. A is right answer. Derrida's American disciples were Geoffrey Hartman, Paul Deman, J. Hills Miller. A is right answer. Identify the correct group of playhouses in late 16th century London from the following groups. First one, Curtain, opened in 1577, then Rose, then Swan, 1595, then Globe, 1599, then Hope, 1613. And all theatre are closed in 1642. You remember this point. A is right answer. Keep up your bright swords, for the dew will rust them. Good Signor, you shall more command with yours than with your weapons. The above lines are addresses by Othello to Brabantio, Rodrigo and Officer. B is right answer. Act 5 of Marlowe's Edward II show the murder of the king. Where does it take place? A room in Berkeley Castle. B is right answer. Identify the correctly matched set. So, the Shepherd Calendars 1579. The Shepherd Calendar is written by Edmund Spenser. Total Miscellany 1557. Astrophel and Stella 1591. Astrophel and Stella is written by Philip Sidney. The Spanish Tragedy about 1585. It is written by Thomas Kidd. A is right answer. List first author, list second works. Lucy Hutchinson, Memoirs of Life of Colonel Hutchinson. John Bunyan, The Life and Death of Mr. Badman. John Evelyn, Silva, or A Discourse of Forest Trees. And Margaret Cavendish, Nature's Pictures. So, C is right answer. But deeds and language such as man do use, and persons such as comedy would choose, when she would show an image of the time, and sport with human follies, not with crime. In the above lines, Johnson opposes the artificiality of the romantic tragicomedy, initiate the use of realism, and consider analysis of moral shortcoming more important. First, second and third are correct. That's why A is right answer. 17. And if no peace. Here not correct spelling of peace. And if no piece of chronicle we prove, we will build in blank pretty rooms. Sonnets. C is right answer. And these lines are taken from the canonization. The canonization is written by John Donne. That glory never shall his wrath or might extort from me. Paradise Lost, Book First. What glory is being referred to by Satan? The courage never to submit or eat. A is right answer. It has been described as a novel without predecessors, the product of an original mind, and became immediately popular. It is a peculiar blend of pathos and humor, though the pathos is sometimes overdone to the point of becoming offensively sentimental. The novel was published in 1760. What is the name of the novel? Tristram Shandy. It is written by Lawrence Sterne. The son of a joiner, he was apprenticed as a printer. He remained a printer throughout his life. He was asked to prepare a series of modern letters for those who could not write for themselves. This humble task taught him the art of expressing himself in letters. Who is the novelist? Samuel Richardson. B is right answer. Where ignorance is bliss, 'tis folly to be wise. Who wrote the following lines? Gray. Thomas Gray. These lines are taken from Ode on Distance Prospect of Eton College. Eton. Eton College. Which of the following works is not actually a prose essay? Essay of dramatic poesy. It is written by John Dryden and it is a prose essay. Essay on Man. It is not a prose essay, so B is right answer, and it is written by Alexander Pope. An essay concerning human understanding. It is written by John Locke. An essay towards a new theory of vision. It is written by George Berkeley. Whom does Mirabel deceive into believing that he loves her in the way of the world? Lady Wishfort. Competence to age is supplementary to youth, a sorry supplement indeed, but I fear the best that is to be had. We must ride where we firmly walk, live better, and be softer, and shall be wise to do so than we had means to do in the good old days you speak of. Who speaks these words, and to whom? Lamb to Brigade. The prelude, although began as early as 1799 and finished in its first version in 1805, was not published until 1850. D is right answer. The prelude is written by William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth belongs to Romantic Age. The prelude is a autobiographical poem. A rosy century will I address, with the wrath trellis of a working brain. The above lines are quote from Ode to Psyche. It is written by John Keats. John Keats also belongs to Romantic Age. Love seeketh only self to please, to bind another to it delight. This selfish and possessive nature of love is illustrated in Black's The Cloud and the Pebble. A is right answer. Who is the author of Mary and the Unfinished, the Wrongs of Woman? Mary Wollstonecraft. A is right answer. Identify the incorrect factor in Henry James' theory of the novels. It should be objective, it should be realistic, it should be viewed as an artistic form, but not should be sentimental. That's why A is right answer. List first novels, list second characters. Ulysses, Molly Bloom. Ulysses is written by James Joyce. A Passage to India, Mrs. Moore. Passage to India is written by E.M. Forster. To the Lighthouse is written by Virginia Woolf and character Lily Briscoe. Women in Love. It is written by D.H. Lawrence and character Gerard Creech. So, B is right answer. Which among the following novels was not written in 1922? Ulysses, Jacob's Room and Aaron's Rod. All are written in 1922, but not A Passage to India. Passage to India is written by E.M. Forster and published in 1924. Ulysses is written by James Joyce. Aaron's Rod is written by D.H. Lawrence. Jacob's Room is written by Virginia Woolf. A sudden blow. The great wings beating still above the staggering girl, her thighs crushed by the dark webs, her nape caught in his bill. He holds her helpless breast upon his breast. Who is the author of Above Lines? W.B. Yeats. And poem is Leda and Swan. Consume my heart away, sick with desire, and fasten to a dying animal. The above lines are taken from Sailing to Byzantium. Sailing to Byzantium is written by W.B. Yeats. Who among the following is not a surrealistic poet? C. De Lewis. D is right answer. The protagonist returned with an admonition, the diamond sent to him for smuggling out a packet of diamonds as bribe. This scene occurs in one of the novels of Graham Greene. Identify the novel. The Heart of the Matter. Samuel Beckett's trilogy. Trilogy means three works. Published together in London in 1959 under the English titles is B. Molly's Melodies, The Unnameable. B is right answer. Among the following playwrights, who was awarded the Pulitzer Prize in 1920? Eugene O'Neill. A is right answer. D.H. Lawrence popularized the concept of blank in his novel Primitivism. C is right answer. Who among the following is not an American modernist poet? William Ellery Channing the Younger. C is right answer. An important poet and playwright who in the 1960s led the black arts movement in the spirit of negritude, possessed a black aesthetic that expressed a Pan-African organic and world sensibility. Amiri Barak. 41. List first authors, list second books. V.S. Naipaul. Mimic Man, Jane Rees, White Sargasso Sea. Marina Warners, Indigo or Mapping the Waters. J.M. Coetzee, Foe. That's why C is right answer. Yasmin Gunaratne's The Pleasure of Conquest term as a post-colonial novel of the 90s is ironically enough set in the tropical island nation of Amnesia. D is right answer. Which of the following is not an Asian Canadian writer? Mina Alexander. D is right answer. Which of the following is true? Aurora Lake is a poem in 9 books. It is written by Elizabeth Browning. She is wife of Robert Browning. Belongs to Victorian age. The old order changeth, adding place to new, and God fulfills himself in many ways. In which of the following poems do these lines appear? Morte d'Arthur. Morte d'Arthur. C is right answer. It is written by Thomas Malory. George Eliot's attempt to write a historical novel of the Italian Renaissance was not successful. Which was this novel? Romola. In which novel does the hero, driven by passion and revenge, add a new dimension to the concept of suffering? Wuthering Heights. A is right answer. Wuthering Heights is written by Emily Bronte. From the following women characters in Hardy's novel, choose the odd one out. Elizabeth Jane. C is right answer. Out of the gospel he thou words quote, and this figure he added ec theto, that if gold rust, what shall iron do? In the prologue, the parson is represented as a man who criticized the corrupt clergy, who practiced what he preached, and who was a poor but honest clerk. So, second, third and fourth are correct. So, C is right answer. List first place, list second characters. White Devil, Vittoria Corombona, and it is written by John Webster. Maid's Tragedy, Aspatia. Every Man in His Humor, old novel. Every Man in His Humor is written by Ben Jonson. The Spanish Tragedy is written by Thomas Kidd and character Hieronymo. So, C is right answer. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the bell icon.